Hi friends, this is Relax Entertainment. In today's session, we are going to see how to square numbers between 40 and 50. So you have already seen the two steps required to solve the number. So let us directly move on to the sum. 41 square. So what is the step 1? Just remember to add the number 15 to the unit digit of the given number to be squared. That is, we just add number 15 to the unit digit of the given number to be squared. The given number is 41. In the unit place, we will find 1. In the tenth place, we will find 4. So, as, as the part of this process, we just required the unit place number. The unit place number is 1. Just remember that one. So add 15 to the unit digit of the given number to be squared. So 15 plus 1 gives you 16. This number 16 represents the first two digits of the answer. So the last two digits of the answer depends upon the step 2. That is, we simply square the difference between 50 and the given number to be squared. That is 41. 50 minus 41 is 9. Just square that number. 9 square gives you 89, 81, sorry, 81, which represents the last two digits of the answer. It is a simple method. Once again, we will do another sum to get the concept clear. 42 square. Remember the number 15. Just add 15 to the unit digit of the given number, that is 2. 15 plus 2 is 17. 17 represents the first two digits of the answer. So what will be the step 2? We must square the difference between 50 and the given number, that is 42. 50 minus 42, you will get 8. Just square that 8, you will get 64, which represents the last two digit of the answer. So 42 square is 1764. So let us solve the remaining squares. 43. 43 square. 43 square is add 15 to the unit digit of the given number, that is 3. 15 plus 3 is 18, which represents the first two digits of the answer. Once again, we keep on moving on to the next step, that is 50. 50 minus 43, we get 7. Just square that 7. 7 square is 49. So 43 square is 1849. Let us do the remaining sums. Once again, I will repeat the steps again and again so that you can remember the concept clearly. So 44, it is square. I wrongly written as cube. 44 square is 19, going to be 19, and check the difference, that is 6 square, 1936. First we will add the unit digit of the given number 4 and check the difference. So 45. So 15 plus the unit digit, that is 5. Take a pause. See the difference between 50 and 45, square that number, you will get the complete answer. That is 2025. Let us check the other sum, 46. And remember friends, this method is only applicable for the numbers between 40 to 50. So 46 square is nothing but we add the unit digit 15, unit digit 6 to 15 and take a pause, check the difference between 50 and 46 and square that number. 15 plus 6 is 21 and difference is 4, 4 square is 16. Let us solve the remaining squares. 47 square. So as part of step 1, just remember the number 15, add 15 to the unit digit of the given number to be squared, that is 15 plus 7. Take a pause, see the difference between 50 and the given number to be squared, that is 47. 50 minus 47 is 3. Square that number. So the answer is 2209. 48 square. The next number. Once again, always remember to add 15 to the unit digit, that is 8. 15 plus 8 is 23. Take a pause and remember 50 minus 48. Check the difference and square the difference. So it is 2304. Finally, the last number 49. Just add the unit digit to the number 15. Take a pause. Check the difference between 50, 50 and the given number to be squared, that is 49. 49, 50, 50 minus 49 is 1. Square that number. We get 2401. Thank you friends. It is the end of this session.